HBQ-962 EV Cable Processing Center. Flexible design with patented technology, adaptable to the production of various products. Manual loading. Detection of missing attachment loading. Roll cutting outer skin. Removing aluminum foil. Cutting shielding net. CCD detection, dust removal. Turning over the net. Assembly of shielding ring. Crimping of shielding ring. Stripping inner skin. Crimping terminal. Appearance inspection of terminal crimping. Detection of shielding ring filaments, automatic unloading.